All right, we say 5 minutes a day over time will make us dangerous. I will just kind of spotlight this real quick. Walmart is getting into the used video games industry, so I think that's pretty interesting. So let's see here. What traders are watching while they wait for the Fed? So let's look at what that's talking about what's up with the Fed. Oil and earnings, the main attractions as markets wait Fed. Oil prices and earnings headlines could sway stocks Tuesday as markets await for the Fed. The Federal Open Market Committee, FMOC.
So I was a head chef at 24.
For a second. I didn't see that.
I won best new restaurant in the country at 31. I've published cookbooks. I've been on TV.
Let's pause that.
I've relied on people every step of the way. I still do.
There
I
you
have
go.
to.
There it is down there.
So staying connected to those.
That's a nice car, though. I'll give him that much. All right, so let's go down here and see what else this is talking about. The FMOC begins its two-day meeting Tuesday morning and is expected to declare the end of the quantitative easing program when it releases its statement Wednesday afternoon. In the meantime, there are durable goods and the S&P Case-Shiller home price data Tuesday. Say that 3 times. And the deluge earnings. BP starts the parade of major oil earnings releases this week when it opens its reports before the bell. And early reports are also expected for DuPont, Pfizer, Whirlpool, Starwood, Hotels, and Coach. After the bell's reports include Facebook, I think that's Gilead Sciences, Electronic Arts, and Panera. So I don't know what all that's talking about. Let's keep going. Stocks traded calmly on the surface Monday with relatively low volatility. The Dow was slightly higher, up 12 points at 16,817. The S&P 500 was slightly lower, off 2 points at 1961. But beneath the surface there was turbulence. Some momentum stocks were sharply lower, like Telsa. I haven't seen this one before. Tesla, off more than 5.5%. GoPro, down about 10%, and Pandora down 3.5%. I had to look at Pandora's stock. I didn't know they had a stock. At the closing bell, Twitter joined the momentum closers, falling more than 10% on disappointment forecasts. Maybe a good time to look at buying Twitter too, so I'll look at those two as well. All right, let me shoot back over to the pre-markets. So I'm going to look at adding to my portfolio Twitter and Pandora. That's good to know. I didn't know that. All right, so pre-markets. Well, it looks like they're up right now, 10 points. S&P, Dow looks like it's up. Russell, NASDAQ, Europe, Asia Pacific's down. Currencies is about a split, down a little bit maybe. Commodities is about the same. Treasuries are up. Global indexes still really have a lot of unreported data. U.S. indices and sectors look like they're pretty much about look like they're up for the most part. All right, let's go back in here to. I'm gonna have to refresh mines. Man, I'm still getting hammered on this General Motors stock. Man alive. All right, my Procter & Gamble is kicking. Man, that thing's up $7,000 now. HD, Walmart, making money on that. Yeah, I'm going to have to go out here real quick and look at Twitter's ticker symbol. And even, so if they got hit hard yesterday, yeah, they're down by 2.7%. Yeah, I like to bomb down here as opposed to buying them up where they are, because it looks like I'm going to wait and let that go down a little bit more, and then I'll try to buy it and then see if it comes back. Yeah, I'll not do that. And let's see here, Pandora. Let's see what Pandora is talking about. Pandora. Yeah, that's where you want to buy Pandora's, right down there. And with hopes that it gets back up to about there. Okay, so we'll buy Pandora today. $19 a share. I'm buying this with expectations that I may have to double down on this one, so I won't go too aggressive, but I'll probably start out with, say, 1,000 shares, and then I'll jump up from there. So let me go in here. We're going to do a new trade. and we're gonna buy. Ticker symbol goes here, which is for Pandora, and we'll do 1,000 shares. That's gonna cost about 19,000 bucks for that, and I'm trying to see what their forecast is. Yeah, I definitely got to get some kind of. I mean, I saw here from where that is at that this was their previous close, right around $20, and now it's selling at $19.31. So, but I still don't see that the total price of where that they have what is called the and I think I said this before. They have what is called the first year target estimate. So let me see if I can put this in here. Pandora first year target estimate. There's got to be some software out there to do that. Pandora stock downgraded. Let's see here. Lowering our price target to 21 from 29. Wow. So they were at $29. Yeah, so I guess you can just type in the name of whatever stock and see what their first year, but they were forecast to be at $29 for the year, and they dropped that down to 21. And I came in to pick them up for 19. So yeah, I don't have a lot of room on this one, I'll tell you that. So yeah, I probably want to, if I can get them to come back to $20, because maybe a lot of people will buy them with the expectation that they can get them at a deal. So I definitely want to get out of this stock at about 20 bucks a share and try to make 69 cents a share and get out of this. So I'll keep my eyes focused on this and see if this turns around a little bit, and then just sell off and get out of it. So I'll let you know kind of where that goes. Let me go back here so I can get back to my stock portfolio. That's pretty much all I have today. I do need to work on doing a spreadsheet so you guys can see kind of how I'm focusing on just a couple stocks, and I'll play around with those stocks. No more than probably, I would say, 7 to 10 is all you really need, and you can just kind of go back and forth amongst those stocks and watch the ups and downs of those and profit on those as the market goes up and down with those. So that's pretty much all I got. Again, remember, 5 minutes a day over time will make you dangerous. Have a great day.